If you're trying to drink healthier but don't know which cold-pressed juicer to choose, then this video is for you. A good cold-pressed juicer works slowly and gently. It helps you keep more nutrients, better flavor, and smoother juice in every glass. But with so many in the make it can be confusing to find the right one. So in this video, I'm counting down the 7 best cold-pressed juicers that are worth buying. These picks are easy to use, simple to clean, and built to last. Whether you're making green juices, fruit blends, or veggie-packed drinks, there's a cold-pressed juicer here that makes healthy habits easier to stick with. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these cold-pressed juicers aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Omega Cold Press 365 juicer. This is the most budget-friendly cold-pressed juicer on our list. This juicer makes it easy to make nutrient-packed juices without breaking the bank. It runs at about 90 to 110 RPMs, so it squeezes your fruits and veggies gently. It has a straightforward design and assembly is quick. The components feel solid enough to last for years. The slow press system keeps the juice cool and preserves vitamins and enzymes. Plus, it has a triple stage auger system, which means it strains better, breaks down fiber, and gives you smoother juice. So even tougher stuff like wheatgrass, kale, or ginger comes out more drinkable. And the motor is surprisingly quiet, so you can juice early in the morning without waking the house. You do have to chop up larger fruit since the feed chute is smaller than some other models, but that's a fair trade for the price. And the cleanup is easy too. Most parts are dishwasher safe, or you can rinse them by hand. So if you're looking for a slow cold-pressed juicer that doesn't break the bank but still delivers solid juice yield, the Omega Cold Press 365 is a smart pick. Number 6 is the AM Chef Slow Masticating Juicer. This is the best slow masticating cold-pressed juicer on our list. This juicer has an extra wide feed chute. It's about 6 inches wide, so you can drop in whole fruits without chopping everything up first. Inside, it has a triple stainless steel filter system. It breaks things down in stages. That means more juice, less pulp, and a smoother texture in your glass. It also helps stop clogging. Now, the motor is another highlight. It has a quiet DC motor that stays under about 55 decibels, so it won't wake the house. It runs slow and steady, squeezing juice instead of grinding it. That helps with flavor and gives you a higher juice yield, even from harder fruits and veggies. You also get a large 2,000 milliliter capacity, which is great if you're making juice for the whole family in one go. Cleanup is pretty simple too. Most parts come apart easily, and the stainless steel body resists stains and fingerprints. So if you want a cold-pressed juicer that's powerful, quiet, and pulls out as much juice as possible, the AM ZHF Slow Masticating Juicer is a solid pick. Number 5 is the Huram HAA Slow Juicer. This is the quietest cold-pressed juicer on our list. This one works best when you need juice without waking up the whole house. It has a 150-watt motor and it runs slow and calm, so it's more of a soft hum than a roar. Huram has used slow squeeze tech in this juicer, which presses fruits and veggies gently instead of spinning fast. That helps keep the juice fresh, cuts down foam, and pulls out more juice from the same produce. Your juice can even stay fresh in the fridge for up to 3 days. It handles more than just apples and oranges. You can juice leafy greens, hard veggies, and even nuts for plant milk. There's also a blank strainer that lets you make sorbet or ice cream right in the chamber, which is really nice. I also like that you can control the pulp. There's a lever and different strainers so you can go smooth or leave a little texture, depending on your mood. And the parts are BPA-free and made from very strong plastic. The setup is quick, cleaning is mostly rinse and go, and the compact size fits small kitchens easily. So if you want a cold-pressed juicer that stays calm, quiet, and serious about juice quality, the Huram HAA is a hard one to beat. Number 4 is the Tribest Greenstar Elite Masticating Juicer. This is the best cold-pressed juicer for leafy greens on our list. If your juices are heavy on celery, kale, or wheatgrass, this machine is for you. It has a twin gear system made from stainless steel. These two gears slowly crush and grind produce like chewing, which helps pull out more juice from tough greens. Plus, it runs at a slow speed, around 110 revolutions per minute, so there's less heat and less air mixing in. That means the juice stays fresh longer. The pulp usually comes out very dry, which is a good sign you're getting most of the juice. This isn't just a juicer either. With the included screens and parts, you can make nut butters, sorbets, baby food, and even dough or pasta with optional attachments. You get fine and coarse screens, blank plates, a glass juice pitcher, plungers, a drip tray, and cleaning tools right in the box. It does take a bit more counter space, and cleaning takes a little longer than smaller juicers, but the parts are solid and made to last. Also, everything is BPA-free and feels heavy-duty. Tribest backs it with a long warranty, up to 15 years, which is rare. So, if leafy greens are your main focus and you want the highest yield possible, the Tribest Greenstar Elite is the one that makes the most sense. And if you want to know the latest prices for the cold-pressed juicers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Hurom HP Slow Juicer. This is the best cold-pressed juicer for 1 cup on our list. This one is made for people who want a single glass and don't want a big machine taking over the kitchen. It's tiny, lightweight, and easy to move around. The whole thing is about 4 inches wide and weighs under 8 pounds, so it fits almost anywhere. Now it also has Hurom's slow squeeze tech and spins at just 43 revolutions per minute. That slow speed helps keep the juice fresh and smooth, without heating it up. Inside there's a heavy-duty auger and strainer made from strong materials that are way tougher than regular plastic. It's BPA-free too, which is always nice. But what really stands out is the no-strainer chamber. The strainer is right into the chamber, and the 2-part auger does the filtering as it crushes. That means you'll have fewer parts to clean, and the pulp comes out really dry, so you're gonna have the most juice possible. The self-feeding hopper is smaller than Hurom's bigger models, but it can still handle whole fruits if they're not too large. And for harder stuff, you may need to cut things down a bit, but that's part of keeping it compact. Here's what Jeanette wrote. Love this compact juicer. Easy to use and easy to clean. It came with 1 plastic container, so you still need to use something else to catch the actual juice. Or pulp, wherever you decide to put it. Works on both sides. It's working hard to make you a cold-pressed juice for the damn sake. Anyway, really happy with it, and it's very cute. So, if you mostly make 1 fresh cup at a time and want something small, clean, and simple, the Hurom HP Slow Juicer is an easy pick for solo juicing. Number 2 is the NutriBullet Slow Juicer. This is the most compact cold-pressed juicer on our list. If counter space is tight, this one makes a lot of sense. It's small, but it doesn't feel weak. The 3-inch wide feed chute lets you drop in bigger pieces, like whole apples or thick carrots. So you're not stuck chopping everything tiny before juicing. It has a slow masticating system that spins at about 65 revolutions per minute with a 150-watt motor. That slow speed helps squeeze juice out without making much noise, and it keeps things calm compared to loud, fast juicers. Inside, there's a strong steel-tipped auger and a stainless steel sieve, so it feels sturdy even with daily use. I also like that it has a reverse function. If something gets stuck, you flip the switch and keep moving. You're gonna have a no-drip spout too, which is great because it keeps juice from spilling and lets you mix everything before pouring a glass. Cleanup is pretty simple. The main parts come apart easily, most of them are dishwasher safe, and it includes a brush for spots where pulp likes to hang out. You'll also get a 24-ounce juice cup, a pulp container, and a small recipe guide in the box. So if you want a cold-pressed juicer that's quiet, simple, and easy to fit in a small kitchen, the NutriBullet Slow Juicer is a solid compact pick. Number 1 is the Nama J2 Cold Pressed Juicer. This is the best overall cold pressed juicer on our list. This juicer has a self-feeding hopper. You load your whole recipe at once, like full apples, greens, and the juicer pulls everything down on its own. You don't have to constantly push it. You can literally walk away and let it do its job. Inside, it's a slow masticating juicer running at about 50 revolutions per minute with a 200-watt motor. That slow speed helps squeeze out more juice with less pulp and less waste. It can handle fruits, veggies, leafy greens, and even things like nut milk and sorbet. And the hopper holds around 35 ounces, so it's solid for big batches. It runs pretty quietly compared to a blender, which is nice if you're juicing early or late. Cleanup is also easier as all parts snap on and off. And it comes with a cleaning brush, and there's a pullback section that helps clear pulp fast. Now, the assembly can feel a bit tricky the first time, but once you know how the pieces line up, it gets quicker. And Nama backs it with a long warranty up to 15 years, which says a lot about confidence in the build quality. Gregory puts it as, "Once I got the Nama J2, it was a major upgrade, and it saved me so much time. It creates more juice than my previous juicer, it doesn't overheat or break down, and it is extremely easy to use and clean. The juicer is quiet, and it can create juice from fruits and vegetables that I could have never used before with my last juicer." So, if you want a hands-free, well-built cold press juicer that focuses on ease, quiet power, and long-term use, the Nama J2 is a hard one to beat for the top spot. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect cold press juicer. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each cold press juicer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.